Get ready for a fun and exciting quiz, kids. This time it's all about emojis. Can you guess the answer from these teeny pictures? Let's find out. Which fruit is this? The answer is banana. Which fruit is this? The answer is apple. Which fruit is this? The answer is watermelon. Which fruit is this? The answer is grapes. Which fruit is this? The answer is pineapple. Which fruit is this? The answer is strawberry. Which fruit is this? The answer is cherry. Which fruit is this? The answer is peach. Which fruit is this? The answer is lemon. Which fruit is this? The answer is orange. Which fruit is this? The answer is kiwi. Which fruit is this? The answer is melon. Which fruit is this? The answer is pear. Which fruit is this? The answer is guava. Which fruit is this? The answer is plum. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world. Thank you.